Welcome to the world of Microsoft Excel, where your data comes to life. Today, we'll uncover the power of the AutoSum function. Let's dive right in. Imagine you have a column of numbers that you want to quickly add up. Instead of manually typing in each cell, AutoSum comes to your rescue. Simply select the cell where you want the total to appear. Then press Alt equals. Excel automatically detects the range of numbers above and suggests a sum formula. If the suggested range is correct, just hit enter, and voila. Alternatively, you can AutoSum laterally. Simply select the cell or range of cell you want to sum up. Then press Alt equals. Excel does the heavy lifting for you, adding up all the numbers instantly. It's that simple. And there you have it, the AutoSum function in Microsoft Excel. With just a few clicks, you can save time and effortlessly calculate totals. So go ahead, embrace the power of AutoSum, and unlock the full potential of your data.